Hello and welcome. MAXQDA has just released an update on their new feature, the AI Assist. In this video, we will look at what the general idea of this tool is, what new features have arrived, and how this all integrates into social science methods such as content analysis. MAXQDA takes an interesting approach to integrating AI in qualitative analysis. It focuses mainly on integrating both manual coding from the researcher and supporting it by AI-generated summaries. So far, you have been able to summarize the content of a code. Now you can also do that, but you can limit it to certain activated documents. This allows you to quickly write a summary comparing two groups of documents. For example, you might have some interviews from Berlin and want to write a summary about what wishes they have for the future for just this group. And then you write another segment for the same code, but for a different group of documents for interviews conducted in Hamburg. This allows you to quickly compare one group of documents to another group of documents and write a concise summary for both of them. More than that, MAXQDA now allows you to generate ideas for a system of subcodes for an already existing code. For example, we might have our wishes for the future regarding our workplace and then want to get an idea of what subcodes we want to create for this. Here, MAXQDA can also give us already some examples of what could be contents for these subcodes. Finally, MAXQDA now allows you to summarize any segment of text. For this, you can just select a segment in your text and then hit right-click, Summarize, and it will create an in-document memo with a concise summary of exactly the text you selected. Furthermore, you can also summarize a single already coded segment and write the summary into the comment segment by the use of AI Assist. This is especially useful if you want to conduct a summarizing content analysis according to Mayring, because it takes most part of the paraphrasing and does it for you. Now, how does AI Assist integrate into already existing qualitative research methods? Let's take a look at Udo Kuckartz' Content Structuring Content Analysis. Here we see 7 steps. In 3 of these, you can already use AI Assist. In step 1, in the initial text work, you might want to use AI Assist for summarizing some lengthy segments of text or for using color codes or any other codes that you want to summarize with AI Assist and create a segment comment. In step 5, in the inductive development of subcodes, you might want to gather ideas for subcodes for the top code that you have already created in the previous steps. And in the 7th and final step, you might want to use AI Assist to summarize the content of your codes and, for example, compare them on a group-by-group basis as shown before. As you can see, AI Assist can already help you a lot in your qualitative research and integrates quite well with MAXQDA. Of course, it's always important to not forget about the human in the equation. You make the decisions and you decide what is important and what is not. If you need any help with your qualitative research, feel free to contact me anytime.